For decades, competitive Zen gardening has lurked in the shadows of underground caves. In the cool, damp darkness of Ambikostan, a cool, damp competitor has emerged. Sean Faulkner, underdog competitor, lawn care provider, the son of two world-class ping pong players, will challenge for the 2008 gold medal. In his way stands the Juggernaut, a man of few words, winner of the Sandbox Cup, the most prestigious Zen gardening event since the 2008 Olympics, Zeus Johnson. This cool damp competitor has helped competitive Zen gardening emerge in the forefront of Olympic competition. Zeus Johnson is the face of competitive Zen gardening.